Hey, here's the mast step for the Grumman canoe, sized to fit a sunfish mast, which is 2 1/4 inch diameter. So we made the hole 2 1/2, and we put a little donut on the bottom. This Grumman's come configured with a place for a Grumman rig. We don't have one of those, kind of hard to find. A little metal plate and a little keeper down there on the keel. So what we did is we're primarily wanting this piece on the bottom for the mast to rest on, so we just made a shadow, a little cutout for that area, and then that all fits in there. And there were already some holes drilled for hardware. We had to drill them out 1/16 bigger. They were 1/4 inch, so I'll do this. No man, one-handed or not, we'll see. There's the I'd probably get so much more stuff done if I had 2 hands for it. So that's where we're going with that. So we'll be back in a minute to show you that.